Yo, what's up, team positive, positive video? Welcome back to another video. Hope you're amazing, happy day, guys. I'm alone home. Yeah, a lot of chaos is about to happen here in this house. But hey, this is what happens when you have no laundry machines, when you have nobody home to help you, when you have nobody to help you do something. All you do is to do it by yourself. So, yeah, watch me. This is too hard, man. Clean my cups, see? How I clean my cups? This is so harder than I thought. It is one. That is two. Three. Guys, as I'm doing this one, it's raining outside so much. So I decided to take gonna see more. I haven't done. I'm home alone, man. That is my office. That's where I do my reactions from, right there. Alright guys, that's pretty much it. See, everything in there is ready for ironing, but you don't know how I'm going to dry those clothes, guys. Place is clean, the place is clean, everything is clean. We keep these jerry cans here. Sometimes we lose water. Yeah, that's me in the middle trying to wind up this. Yeah, thank you guys for watching. If this video gets 20 likes, I'll do another part. Guys, that's pretty much it. If you enjoyed it, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, help me get 10k. Yeah, if I get 10k, there will be more to come. But thank you for this one. I don't know if you enjoyed it, I don't know if it was a good idea, but hey, just know that you're watching African videos. We're doing it African way, man. No much things you're gonna see. There's no much Lamborghinis here. We don't have Lamborghinis because we don't have them here. We don't have big malls, but hey, we do vlog. I do vlog every day, every time, whatever I do. Just a piece of work, bro. I'm so tired. I need a nap. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe if you're new, like and share this video.